friends, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here one of my very nice kit that I found from Bandai, high grade line from the anime code Geass, which was released last 2002 by Bandai. So this is the Lancelot Albion. Very nice kit, similar to the Servine. The color pattern of this kit is similar to the Aura Battler Servine, which I did the unboxing and build a while ago. So let's check this out. So the box art here shows the action pose of the Lancelot Albion, and this is fantastic. I'm fascinated with this energy wing and the dual saber here. I think this is the vibration sword. To be honest, I did not watch any single episode of this kit, but when I was in my high school years, I saw the anime at the AXN channel together with the Vandred. The Vandred, I was watching that, and I am waiting for the model kit of that Vandred under Moderoid. Good smile. So let's talk about this Lancelot Albion. So this is made by Bandai under high grade line. The box art here on the side, we can see the Lancelot Albion flying pose with the vibration sword. So there's this luminous shield here. So this is a color green or aquatic green, something like that. And there's this super Varys, the gun of the Lancelot Albion, and there's this slash harken. It's like threaded shurikens here, and it shows here also that the Varys can be installed on its back when not being used. And there's this weapon sets here of the Lancelot Albion. This is very nice, the energy shield. The other side of the box, we can see some story of the anime regarding this kit, and the front and the rear view of the model kit, and some anime clips or picture. So if we open the box, we can see the instruction manual. So the instruction manual here, same as the box art, and there are portion of the instruction that are color printed, but the first parts are in black and white. So the kit doesn't have that much parts based on what we see in the runner list. Maybe I can finish this within 3 hours. So let's check the pack. So we have here some assembly instruction from Bandai. So for the first timer, you can rely on this sheet. But since I was already building Gunpla since I was a kid, way back 1998, I was 9 years old that time, I know what to do. So this is the energy wings. Okay, it's very soft. It's like a folder, plastic folder for your school supply. The color is transparent transparent, semi-transparent green with some white linings here for the details. We have here packs. First pack, white colored runners with some yellow runner here for the details, and there's this sludge part from the runner. We have here some red sabers for the red runners for the sabers, and some black runners for inner frame. We have the blue runners here for the Varys, the gun of Lancelot. We have here another yellow colored runners and black colored runner for the inner frame. And last but not least, we have multicolored runner for the kit. This is grayish blue runner for the hands. We have white color runner here and the shield here. It's like the same color of the energy wing. And we have some stickers, bullshit stickers here included. But maybe I will just use the eye sticker. I don't like to use this gold colored one here because sometimes Bandai stickers are crappy. So I will not use this. Instead, I'll just stick to the original runner color. Okay. As always, I have a clip here for the quick runner review of this kit. So we have here runner C2 white colored runners for the armor. We have here this sludge piece. I'll just include it there. We have gold runners here for details for the Harkins. This is runner D2. We have two runner F red colored runners for the vibration sword. We have runner B1 for the inner frame. This is black colored runners. We have here blue colored runners, two sets of runner E, I mean, for the Varys. We have here runner B2, black colored runners for inner frames. We have runner D1 for another detailed markings or detailed detailers for the kit. We have polycaps. These are polycaps. We have runner C1 here for white colored parts. And last but not the least, the multicolored runner A, the parts for the hands, for the armor, and the nice colored shield here. We have copper wires here for the shurikens. I forgot what it's called, but this is the one you attach to that guided shurikens. And the wings, the energy wings, I did not open this yet, so to avoid scratching. And last but not the least, we have these crappy stickers from Bandai. So I will just use the eye sticker. To be honest, I hate Bandai when it comes to stickers because these stickers make the kit crappy, and I salute to kits with color separated parts, just like the Modoroid, the oldie, and some Bandai kits that uses less stickers. So let's do this. And again, shout out to the boys here. Hello.